Global Battle Royale inspired by geofacts. The first place out today is the United States. This will definitely not be controversial, but I have a great idea. How about we split it up per state? First off, from the island of Bermuda, the British will be taking back their colonies. I'll give some of the northern states to Canada and some of the southern states to Mexico. I'll split Florida between the Bahamas and Cuba. I'll split Alaska between Russia and Canada. The Dominican Republic can take Puerto Rico, and Hawaii will be split as well. I'm sure the comments are going to be very civil. The next place out today is Algeria. Yikes, this is bad news for the Sahara. Say goodbye to the largest African nation. And the final nation out today is Myanmar. This is it for all the beach lovers out there, but this is a great day for the coffee lovers. Anyways, which nations do you not want to win?